This is Itty and Bitty. Hi guys, they've stayed with us before. They're happy kitties. They're always sweet and nice. Hello, look at you guys. Look at you. Oh my goodness, you're sweet. You are so sweet. So they're both eating well. They're voiding normally. There's no problems to report with these two. Hello. Hello. How about you? You want to come over and say hi? Yes, you're both so sweet. Yes, you're both such sweet kitties. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes, you're my sweetie. And we like to keep the collars on when they're breakaways. Hello. Yes. If anybody comes in with buckle collars, we always make sure to take them off, just in case they get hooked up on anything. Thank God nobody ever has. Knock on wood. Or laminate. Knock on laminate. Guys. So don't worry, they're both happy, they're doing well, they're enjoying their playroom time. I don't know why this is out of focus. Yeah.